little bit, and then you'll be 2 stories up. I forget where it is. It might be there.
I know that like that place has like a ton of LED buildings, LED enabled buildings. So like the buildings like light up and have like ads on them. And it's pretty cool. Singapore had some similar stuff.
What else came out this morning? Something. Plans to visit China in November for the APEC summit. Russia and China plan to sign about 40 documents. Is Charlie spewing anything yet? What do we got, Charles? Turn me up, Turbo.
Turn me up.
Yeah. Oh, he's breathing into the mic now. Love that.
He just said, Jordan, this is for you.
It's better than when he's like crunching on something.
Wow, gold just hit 45.79 there. Nice. Damn, dude. Not sure it took that long right there. As soon as we held yesterday's high.
The U.S. has accepted to waive original sanctions during the negotiation period. Another headline.
Okay, I want to short this chart, but I don't want to run in the way of any news.
Are there any big spots we're tapping into on ES? Yeah, we ran through the hourly.
Good morning, beautiful people.
Morning, Sal.
Good morning.
Let's rock it. Let's rock and roll.
Good morning. Happy Monday.
Good morning, Spaces crew.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
What's up, my favorite people in this entire world?
how's the
Yeah.
weekend? Enjoy.
Oh, weekend's good. It's like 85 degrees already.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Today.
Yeah.
Dude, it's been like 80s and sunny all weekend and all week. So we're gonna try to take the kids to the pool every day we can and wear them out.
Let it go.
That way they sleep good at night. So
UNCX.
We got about 2 minutes.
Yeah.
2 minutes and 40 seconds. Or 1 minute and 40 seconds, right?
Yeah.
Iran's House news agency said we were told by a source that the U.S. has agreed to waive Iran's oil sanctions during the negotiation.
Yep.
Without giving any comment on whether U.S. has agreed to waive oil sanctions.
Yeah, a little flaggy into the open. See if it's another one of those days where we open up and just rip to draws.
Website screening to relieve airport congestion. Pilot program for Delta and JetBlue passengers at Boston's Logan Airport.
Off-site screening for airports.
I'm watching the video around this 231.50, which is Friday's high. See if we could pop that and retest it. And then, of course, Microsoft, because it was the bullish outlier Friday. And it is back testing a 618 of Friday's range. So we'll watch that as well.
Yeah. Nice. IM's looking strong.
And here we
Most
go.
markets are open.
Open it up.
Look at that nice little dumpity. Let's go.
Okay.
That was 15. All right, coming back to backtest London High. There could be a nice setup long down here.
Man, gold holding that previous day high very well right now.
NASDAQ picked up 32.
Okay. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, they're trying to push it higher.
Yep. Damn, I knew I should have took the long on gold right there. Oof. Man.
LLY Lily.
Gotta give this a few minutes here.
Lily's challenge to whistleblower law that lets individuals sue the half of federal government. That's LLY. Think the Yankee.
Sweet 300s for these.
ASTS is up 6.6%, ripping. AMD's ripping 2.3. INTC's up 5.8. Line. Rocket Lab 10% already start the morning.
You know, Rocket Lab's on a freaking heater, dude.
DIS is down 3%. Apple's red. Meta trying to come back, red percent. Microsoft's bouncing pretty hard, still red though.
RTY looks the worst. YM's looking the best. I'm gonna try one.
There he is.
I am short MNQ. Sorry, I'm a little late. I shorted 350. We just broke the bill. Covered another
Nice.
quarter there for 50 points. Let's see,
Good.
10-minute 20 EMA, 260s.
I just stopped that right there.
I think we just like broke the, what is that, 10-minute 200 EMA this morning, 840 off the data. This could be the sentiment flip, so I'm thinking it's a long down here at 240s. Maybe they come down 220s, 230s for the sweep, but EMA cross retest, I think a decent pullback, but I would let it build a little.
All right, covered a third of my gold long. Nice.
QNCX shares were halted on a circuit breaker following an acquisition announcement. QNCX.
Yeah, it's drilling a little bit harder here.
Shares halted down as stock reversed sharply.
If you're going through the option chain right now and you're looking at next week contracts for whatever reason, and you notice that Monday is not on there, that is because market will be closed. I just pulled up Amazon and I was like, let me go look through the option chain. I was like, why can't I find a week out contract right now on May 25th? And I was like, oh, market will be closed. So
What's the holiday? What we got?
Memorial.
that would be Memorial Day.
You don't remember
Not Labor Day,
Memorial
sorry,
Day?
Memorial Day.
I remember.
Now breaking $100 overnight. I think this is a solid move here. I picked some shares up at 91.
Here we go.
Gold still holding above pre-market high.
Bill breaker again here in Q. Take profit. Not a bad idea. Here we go. 275s. Good short there, Joe.
I rushed to the bed. I could have gotten more for this. Thank you.
Hey,
My break-even
we
stop
take
on
those,
gold.
man. We take those.
Yes, we do.
Poet, $17 calls coming in for Friday expiration. multiple orders this morning at the ask at 1.6 on those contracts.
Big order block.
I like Amazon calls.
Okay, we're flirting with value very high right now.
Give me that 10-minute 200 EMA. It's right at 240. I got orders.
Oh, right at 240.
Hey,
I got a big order
Look.
block there. It's beautiful.
quick.
I'm watching Microsoft and Tesla here. Microsoft is bouncing right off midpoint of Friday's range. I do think we could get a nice little bounce here. It was bullish outlier Friday. Doesn't care what the market's doing.
Let's go.
100 point gain M&Q. I'm down to the runners, baby.
Nice.
Let go.
Done.
That's a Monday start right there.
Yep.
Okay. I'm gonna see what looks good here. Did try to bounce off the 10-minute 21 there on NQ.
Yeah, 29,250 is a major range on my NQ. That's right where we're at.
Amazon, big stick.
Google, big stick.
Crowd strike range all-time highs breaking 600.
The A10 Warthog is back.
Trying to see if they bring this down a little bit more.
Ooh, Minxie's on vacay.
Now these markets go up.
Of course. We tapped in the order block, getting a nice bounce from that. It's right at 240.75. I do expect a bounce down here. We're at the bottom of this 15-minute gap. Order block.
I'm trimming this Microsoft. Jinx.
Jinx, you owe me some money.
60%. I said it first. I said it first.
James, give me some Microsoft shares.
And swing trade too. Microsoft's really starting to set up here. If we break that like 425 to 428 volume shelf, it could really start to heat up.
All right, trimmed Amazon at 250 here out of third. You can stop the entry.
5-minute gap above our heads is going to be my if this then that line in the sand here. If we run over 334.25, I'll look for us to trade back to highs. If we pop into this kind of 300 area, back test and just set up short, we could go lower.
Good morning.
Honest night. Good Monday. Have a good weekend.
Happy Monday.
Oh, yes.
Good weekend, sir.
Yeah, I can't complain. Life is good.
Pretty good. Hmm.
Seems like we got some pretty cool China news.
What are you looking at over there?
Well, I'm just seeing nonstop bullish Chinese headlines over the weekend, and space is getting pretty interesting. ASTS confirmed their Bluebird convoy is officially underway with BB-10 and BB-8 loaded on separate trucks. You're good. Basically, massive space developments this morning for ASTS.
It's awesome. Yeah, it's ripping.
I got something profit.
It's gonna be nice.
All right, I'm flat MNQ. I kind of want to reverse it here long off of the 10 EMA.
STC.
Let's see if we can get under the 20.
We're at about 75% there on that Microsoft. I'm down to 10.
Let's go. Beautiful.
News on HIMS this morning is getting smacked.
Yeah, they did a offering.
I know, piece of shit, because of course I swung calls. Only a starter position to challenge account, but fuck this stock. Who even trades this thing? Terrible company. Disgusting.
Looks like they're hitting it a bit more.
Just got another trim on Amazon. Yeah. Amazon barely popped up, but contract just jumped to 265. My stock is now at entry.
Not showing any opportunity for the long in this area, even though I like this area for it.
There was that tiny move from the sweep that I played, but no continuation.
All right, I'm out half at 270. Got to stop down my gold long.
Market update, S&P futures now down 9, the Dow futures down 14, Nasdaq down 24. Crude is down 93 cents at $100.13. Gold up 7.70 at 45.69.90. Bitcoin futures down 23.20 at 76,890.
Bitcoin? Why are you so sour?
God, I haven't even really been looking at QQQ and IWM. They're drilling.
Yeah, getting up to about 222 here is not great for the Wolves.
So, reverse sharply now down about $5 per buy.
You'll see is that 200s. We're bouncing off of it. I didn't really want to just long it right there. Wait
Long
for some
MNQ, 10-minute red.
Yep.
The sweep here, but smaller size because of the risk.
I'm also long from 221.
Yeah, I took a long too. I took a long.
Oh!
But I'm already insta trimming. I'm microscoping that, so.
25% for Rand's funds on a phase timetable.
Coming into another 15-minute. 156.50 could be a little sweep area.
Iran revised proposal amid permanent end to war and lifting sanctions alongside reopening the strait. Iran will discuss its nuclear issue in later.
London lows down at 29.050. U.S. has shown flexibility in ongoing discussions, including over limits to Iran's nuclear work. That was from senior Iranian source.
Got the long right there, be well.
They also said Washington has so far only agreed to unfreeze 25% of Iran's funds on a phased timetable.
GBO, live develop pool.
Come on, send this thing.
Oscar.
Wrong way. And stopped.
Tapping into this 15-minute, yeah, no. Wow, we are not doing at all what I thought we could. bias is just blatantly wrong.
Okay, Oscar, doing covered calls for this week.
Friday, we have to take 8.9%. Box Shelley, November Shirley. Shorts and mostly moving right now.
He walked sweeping here. Thank you.
One
Trying
second.
to.
Wait, is the 810 Warthog back, bro?
Yeah, it's back.
Alright.
Unfortunately, it's wild.
Yeah, if you walk squeezing here, this is looking a little good for NQ. Hopefully we can hold.
I'm just chilling at the moment. I haven't done anything.
Yeah, smart.
Been some great moves though. Like obviously you guys been killing it. There's no real opportunity for me to capitalize on this here, especially because I expected a little more positive price action going into that previous day high. So. So, are we? Is this Spotify logo? Like, are we keeping this? Really? Really doing the disco ball, aren't we? Yes. At this point, we should just change all of our apps to look like that. Oh my gosh, I'm scrolling my timeline as I say that. It's like a bunch of posts of that going viral right now.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of that
Everybody's
too.
Changing it, yeah. Wow, looks like I had a good idea there. Should have acted on it earlier.
Let's see if they can bounce it here. If not, oh, it no look good. It no look good.
You can. If you lose 130 now, though, it's London low for me. Yeah, you can hold it. Yeah, spot. Actually, just
Down to 5, Microsoft here.
Or that.
Down to 5.
Get them. Good job.
All right, 3-minute VWAP held. I like this.
Why am I on ticks? What the fuck? Fucking tick chart, man. Fucking.
Oh my gosh, Jordan, you just gave me an idea saying tick charts.
Oh, did I? Good.
Yeah, man. Oh my gosh, I would not have thought of that on my own. I'm writing that down. Thank you.
Let's go. Let's go. I'm good for something.
Okay, nice little bounce.
I might just wait for ID, look for something there. Because I don't really have like a whole lot of clarity this morning.
I'll take another trim right here on Amazon.
On this day in 2012, Facebook IPO'd. Shares were initially priced at $38, giving the company a market cap of $104 billion, making it the largest IPO in American history. Crazy.
There's 110% down to 3 Microsoft.
Goddamn, Oscar and Zeta are ripping, both up over $1.25.
Sweet.
Now back over $100.
True.
New York Stock Exchange is live right now, celebrating its 234th birthday. Shout out.
I grabbed longs on Carmen, KRMN, last week. Is that the spot? I like it's a drone play. They make like those loitering kind of drones.
What's the ticker?
KRMN.
that bounced hard last week.
Mhm.
Nice.
I grabbed it on Friday. Like I didn't really see any of that, but yeah,
Solid. Your 5 minute gap above our heads.
Photonics plays are dropping.
Watch the 3-minute EMA here. NQ, VWAP sweep.
I'm out 3/4 of my position size here on Amazon calls, absolutely squeezing.
Let's go, Casey.
I posted this morning. I'm going to try and do this every single day. I'll pin it into the nest, but right before the market opens up, I always look at SPY, Qs, IWM, and all the Mag 7 names on all the different time frames and look at if there are any squeezes. So I made a post this morning, just Monday morning squeezes, and there was Amazon's, Microsoft, Meta, Google, and QQQ, 15-minute and 1-hour squeezes. I'm playing the 1-hour squeeze right
Sold
here.
half MNQ longs. GG, baby.
Let's go. On Amazon, Google has the exact same setup as Amazon, and look at Google right now, new high of day. So I'm gonna start sending these out every morning. But we are fucking printing right here on Amazon.
Let's go.
Okay, I started a short up there at 250.
GC has to clear 85s.
Yes, really strong. I have no reason to not see the new high now. Ran through everything I need to.
Amazon's 290 calls coming in for 618. They're smacking them now. They're chasing it. Oh yes, be my exit liquidity, market makers.
Oh, you hit that.
Buy my contract.
MNQ.
Yeah, I longed to view up.
Let's go. All right, now what I need to see here on NQ for continuation is a 3-minute 20 EMA breach, 280s. It's also the previous candle high.
Let's go. Come on, drop it. I got more short up there at 260. I have a 254 average. Stop's going to be over 276. 22 points.
Sir, yes, sir.
Let's see how it plays.
Yeah, gold long just playing out right now. Look at that.
Oh, look at this
New
guy.
high of day. Gold followed those EMAs beautifully, bro.
Ooh.
Any longs taken on NQ would be smart to when ES is, if it does take out the high. NQ's been lagging, not a bad place to trim when ES is taking out that high on NQ.
There we go.
There's a possibility
Covering.
NQ plays catch up, but there you go, knots.
Hell yeah.
But what would suck is if you got long, ES took out the highs, no trims happened, and then we just swept those highs and came in. Sorry, my whole room is vibrating. Sorry. Like, whoa.
Yo, don't make me jealous.
Dude, my.
Hey,
Pause.
damn, Jordy. Damn.
Oh,
Pause.
ripping. NQ,
Yeah,
give
gold
me over
ripping.
that 3-minute 20.
Bro.
And Q popping.
Yeah, if you guys haven't invested,
Stop the remaining in profit.
never mind. We're gonna keep it trade.
Wait, did you short NQ at the top there?
I had a 254 average.
Not bad.
And then I covered it out at around 225.
5-minute buy signal QQQ. IWM already had one at 9:45. It's playing out. SPY bounced right off Friday session low perfectly and is absolutely ripping off of this.
Sim.
He's a straight killer. killer of the market makers.
Do you see that buy red, sell green? Sorry, buy green, sell red zone there, Maple, on the indicator? What a beautiful setup right there. Beautiful. You'd be up 40
Shout out
points
to you,
right now.
Will. We making money, baby. We're young, we're handsome, it's beautiful.
Damn right.
He said we're young, we're handsome,
Like
good. Like good.
Young, handsome, and rich. 1-800 bankroll.
1-800 bankroll.
NVIDIA 5-minute Morningstar reversal off
Call
previous
the
day
number.
low. Retest.
Call
Dude,
that number.
I think we're gonna start popping here.
Yeah, I'm watching Google, Amazon, and Q's for longs on dips.
Go take out that high, girl. Yeah, look at you.
Microsoft was about $1.15 to like $2.55. I've got those three left. I'm kind of letting them go. Microsoft's not having any sort of pullback for me to have to close them.
Look at the bill breaker right there. Nice.
The only thing that would suck for longs here is if ES just sweeps this high and doesn't get continuation over and NQ can't play catch up. That would suck.
I want to see the 3-minute candle close above EMA 20. There we go. Just like that.
Oh, come on, just freaking send this market. The Bears suck. They can't hold us down.
Bear's been dead. Does it continue?
God, the dip's just getting bought. Me and Amber trading futures last night. Just freaking banking.
Let's go. What, you guys get on Discord or just a call?
No, we were in the group chat last
Oh,
night.
I got you. Yeah.
Dude, we sniped the low last night.
Sold another quarter MNQ.
Frank was in there too. My daily level on NQ to add to my long was at 28,945. And look what happened when it hit that last night. That is like, it's been the low ever since.
Damn.
Market ripped like what, 300 something points off that since then. He was long, I think he long ES down there when I was long NQ. But the Bears suck.
Yeah, you Bears.
Yeah.
G down, continuing down. They were now 36 cents, up 43% today.
Pre-market high there, bro. SPY. Q's is significantly weaker than SPY.
Charles stop here, remainder break even MNQ.
Yeah, I think Jordy, what you said is playing out. Stuff that high and then weakness.
I know, that's the only thing that's not great for longs on NQ right now.
House and lawmakers propose $130 annual electric vehicle fee to help make road repairs.
$130 annual electric vehicle fee.
That from a statement.
Ooh.
To help make sure the roads are still nice? What? Something's not connecting there. Why? I'm just like the EVs are doing the damage to the roads. Because that's what it sounds like. They're like punishing the EVs. That makes no sense.
Oscar at $25. Ooh. What was that? What was that news?
you're gonna EMA rejection.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go.
Here we do here if you want.
Drainage. Wish I still had my puts. I sold them a little early.
Hey. Breaking VWAP now.
Or MNQ, looking for orb low. Let me see the sweep.
There you go. ES rejected its gamma flip. Oops. And Q is at it.
You got lower high. How do we not see a lower low right here? Lower low, bill breaker, 100.
Are you really gonna hold this gamma exposure? I'm sitting on my hands. I'm not gonna pull a trigger here.
Should get new lows. I could see another at least 60 to 100 points downside on NQ.
Yeah, it's 160s.
Drain out. You. Come on. Bring it low. Bring it low.
There's a lot of buying at the bottom of these candles. Give you that lower low here. You. Oh, there's some selling. But they want to push.
Got 5-minute sell signals that just came in across the board.
I'm gonna take the short at 170s.
We'll think about long in this freaking back test right here, but
SPY's stronger.
Yeah. I'm watching Microsoft as well. Microsoft's holding up.
There's a 12
22.
So
Apple
we
is
should
not.
sell at like 134. Buy 5 limit down here.
Ooh,
There we go. There we go.
Oil
There we
pushing,
go.
bring me down.
There we go.
New low.
New low today, baby.
Let's go.
Let's
New
go.
lows.
40 point gain in
All
the
out, baby.
Cover 3/4 right there under the pivot.
Let's go.
Nice.
Boom, baby. Good luck, Shells.
Beautiful breakdown there.
Arnold flat remainder break even. Nice little stuff there at the lows. I think the long was right where I covered. I should have just reversed.
Reverse it.
Post this up in the cord now, Mabel. Let's go.
That was hot.
Wow, that is a nice turnaround there. 60-point pop in under a minute.
It needed to grab just a bit more. And there's the reverse. Good golly.
MNQ long, 10-minute red.
Yeah, look at that. Dude, that's the reversal right there.
Yeah, man, I wanted like bill breaker, that would have given me all my covers, and then I would have been able to take it long for the liquidity sweep. But they really caught those cookie jars to be overextended under the pivot.
I mean, so we set those take profit orders, man. Like, scale out of the position, guys.
That as well as going into a trade knowing what you want. Like I could have been like, oh, I want previous way low. I want buy red, sell green. Right? We just sold half, 45 points.
Let's go.
Again with the buy red, sell green indicator too. The indicator, I love that thing.
You see that? You see that VRSG zone? Look, bro, nuts.
It literally tells you right there to buy it. Like, what's that? 150, 160? Yeah, insane.
We got an acronym now, so you know it's serious.
No, we're all about BRSG, bro. We're all about it.
TRS and KRS-One too.
Now NOW, explosive trade alert, 110 calls for May 22nd. Stock's ripping.
I was looking for an Amazon dip buy, and it missed what I wanted by about 30 cents. That sucks. And now it's ripping.
I'm a sad panda.
I am a sad panda myself.
10-minute turning green again. Profit taking opportunity. Maybe you see extension up to 275. That's your 70s, 80s.
Metals are starting to dump.
VWAP's holding up really well here. We have this like crazy like middle zone here. We're bouncing between EMA 20 and the VWAP. I just want to see what gives here. I want to see which one gives up. I think it's interesting too, Mabel, that the 10-minute EMAs are still flagging a bullish cloud.
Yep. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's like for me, sentiment analysis. EMA's cross held, but they needed a sweep VWAP. What I am concerned about is the 20 EMA acting as resistance. I need to see candles closing back above it, showing that buyers aren't exhausted and they're, reloading that bid.
Yeah, the 10-minute candle, just like with that long wick, the previous one, closed above EMA 20, but yeah, EMA 9 still acting as a resistance there.
And normally when a 10-minute candle opens like that and immediately flashes down, it's gonna push to the upside. So we'll see. They're already wicking off of that buy red sell green zone again. We'll see if we can get 280s, bull breaker 100 or 300, excuse me.
I didn't get the price I wanted, so I'm sidelines right now.
See if ES can take out new high day.
Amazon, Google pushing. Yes,
New
yeah,
high day,
pushing.
Microsoft here.
$30 per upward to Alphabet,
Google new high.
GL. Whisker cost.
A little slow down here.
Yeah.
A little bit of chop around POC.
I'm backing in NQ long here. Really tight risk.
I like it. Divergence at lows, getting delivery from that 15-minute gap.
Exactly.
Need start breaking these previous highs, making higher highs.
Yeah. And this thing's just swinging so wildly.
Yeah, I don't like anything special yet.
Yeah. Same. I don't like that we're getting rejected by this EMA 20 here.
Yes, is looking weaker too.
Yup.
Why?
I might just let this go for a small loss.
Yo, I'll be right back.
ASTS broke below Friday highs. Now it's breaking back above it, and it's got some pretty strong.
Oh, there we go. Last
Volume.
minute. Come on. Trying to push.
Hold it.
Blackberry's ripping.
There we go. There we go. Come on. 3 minute close above.
Hard right now. Come on.
All right. We closed above EMA 20 on 3 minute. Come on. Give us one little push. Break that bid there. Come on.
Send it.
Iran's semi-official news agency Tasnim, citing sources close to negotiating teams, says that Iran has stated that U.S. demands are still excessive despite draft changes.
All right. Sold 2/3. Down to runners.
Let's go. Watch ES for new high day. Great spot to trim.
Need my
along.
stop to break even. We're in risk free now, baby. Let's go. That's how we do it.
Yeah. That feeling when you go break even, you know it's just
Back
can't
testing
lose.
triple top of ASTS where it hit resistance 3 times last week. We dipped below that at market open. We are trying to break above it now. I do believe if we can kind of break and hold $88 next leg up, seems inevitable for this one. These stocks are still kind of ripping. Nice bull flag on the daily. I think 100 is definitely in the realm of possibility based on all the hyper bullish space news of late. IPOs, et cetera, et cetera. So ASTS is definitely one to watch for a breakout, massive breakout.
I like that. They got some interesting news today on high momentum as well.
Yep.
Looks like the bulls are having a hard time sending this thing higher. Come on.
Hey, we might see the SpaceX prospectus this week. That would be bullish
That'd be pretty
for
crazy. I
all
like
the
that.
space stocks.
I like that.
Yeah.
Yo, Jordan, jet of the day is back and better.
Ooh, what do we got today?
We got aircraft of the day on Wolf Defense now. Yesterday we did the Falcon Heavy rocket. We're doing a lot more than jets now.
Let's go.
Nice. Good call, man.
Thank you.
You got a lot of people that love jets and planes and rockets, you know, like
Right.
love all types of stuff like that. Broke out there. Break even. A stop loss hit. Let's go.
Google new high a day.
All right. We have hit pretty much the profit target I wanted to hit. I'm about $100 away, but I can live with getting that close.
All good.
Wisdom.
Don't get greedy, right? Just take what the market gives you. Now it's time to get greedy and degenerate with this tournament account from Tradeify, though.
Oh,
Hey, there
shoot,
we
I
go.
forgot that started today.
Yeah, no, I'm already down. I'm already down on the account.
Shit.
I just full ported it on so many dumb trades last
Dude,
night.
so many people are just full. You get 3 resets though, I think, right?
Yeah, you get 3 resets at $29 each. And there's already a guy at 65K.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm still kind of waiting here. I mean, we're chopping. We haven't broken a range on NQ, really.
Yeah, still looks great. I think it takes out high day.
Yeah, ES is stronger. IWM is the same as NQ. We
Based
got
on IB too, that forms in 10 minutes. We should take out the high day on ES first.
Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Netflix all pushing higher.
It's great because I have calls on 3 out of 4 of them.
Hell
For those
yeah.
that use edgeful indicators, when we break IB high on ES on Mondays specifically, you have 100% chance of hitting the 0.1 extension. You have a 91.67% chance of hitting the 0.2 and an 83.33% chance of hitting the 0.3 extensions over IB.
I think NQ's a long here, dude.
I 100% agree. I have no reason to short her. Absolutely zero. But that
I
doesn't
just
mean
went ahead
it's
and went
not
long
a
on
reason
the
for somebody
tournament
else. Yeah. created a protected low, and Q took out the low, ES didn't inside of that 15-minute gap, which is where I'm looking for longs out of. Got an inversion of order flow. Just need to start breaking some highs.
Yeah.
ES is right at highs. Just needs to freaking get some Momo bump over that.
Momo.
Fear and Greed index at 63. They're still running higher.
Yeah.
Just a little slow here.
WidePoint shares are on the defensive today, falling below $9.50 per share, down at 9% on the day. That's WidePoint, WYY, Whiskey Yankee Yankee.
Nice. Dude, I love gambling on this tournament account.
Yes, could look a little like stronger with the momentum here. It's going up. It's just not got that juice behind it.
Yeah, there we go. Getting flushed out right now. I'm breaking my wallet out. I gotta reset this account.
IB's opposite on NQ, I think. Yeah. Since we should take out the low instead.
Yeah, I mean, if you look at the 10-minute too, it's kind of obvious too. Like this long. If it's gonna long here, it needs to close. It needed to close above the EMA 9 there, and it just didn't.
Metals are kind of leaning this lower.
Microsoft's not stopping. Doesn't care. A little pullback now, but overall doesn't seem to care. Apple's got a little head and shoulders pattern on the 15 in the last week. Really kind of need to get back above 298 or so. We could be in trouble there.
This candle's looking heavy.
Which side IB you gonna break?
According to reporting, Mexico's President Sheinbaum has said that the head of the U.S. Department of Homeland Security will be visiting Mexico on Thursday.
Max Payne on NQ is like 29,300. Super close to it. ES is lower, 7430s. Smells like chop. They're trying to buy it here.
Charles, stop hit remainder MNQ.
Five minutes till IB.
Okay, any what?
MNQ long, 10-minute red.
I literally just posted in Discord scalping NQ long here. Like the second you were saying it, I just hit enter.
Hey,
My check, my check.
we the best.
Thank you, my friends. Just got a very cool
gambling
phone.
account is break even right now. Let's go. Come on, send it lower.
Hey,
Yeah, Maple, I'm full porting the Tradeify tournament account.
That's what I'm about to do too. As soon as I'm done with these options trades, I'm gonna flip to that one. I totally forgot it started today.
Yeah. There we go. Come on.
You have to in order to move on. I mean, it's not about risk off trading. It's about FOMO, you know?
Literally. Come on, send it to VWAP. Send it to VWAP.
Sizing is key in this market as well. Normal sizing, right? I likely would have stopped already, but I'm giving this some risk a little bit lower here. For the listeners too, you know, maybe you guys the last couple of weeks have experienced, hey, dang, I got stopped out and the trade went in my favor. It's because you're not adapting to the market environment, right? Moving very quickly doesn't mean size up. You can make more. Moving very quickly means size down. You can make about the same, right? And that's what we want is consistency in the market.
Exactly. All right. Just stopped out of the order. Took profit there. Nice.
remember on the tariff dip, volatility got so high
Shares are up.
that there was a point where I couldn't even enter one micro because it was still too much risk.
Yep.
That's how.
Yeah, I mean,
they got
again, and
like,
with consistency, you know, we want that confidence back behind it. If the trade setup isn't there, but we back tested for thousands of hours, why are we putting money behind it, you know?
Yeah. I'm streaming live on Twitch again. I had to like clarify with the Twitch viewers. I was like, listen, like, do not do what I'm doing with this account. I was like, do not do what I'm doing with this account. This is not good.
Bitcoin Fear and Greed is at 28 fear.
Look at that, breaking VWAP right there. Beautiful.
Yeah. See if they take out lows. Try and hold it.
Golly.
Yeah, wow, dude. Holy shit.
I got stopped there. Not bad. First tag today.
Yeah, I already hit my profit goal. I don't know if you saw in the Discord, Maple, for the other accounts, the main accounts. So I just shut those off.
Oh, yes, sir. We
Yep.
take those every day.
Yep.
You know, I mean, because like, what's the other perspective? Oh, man, market's moving fast. We can make some more, right? I can add some cushion to these accounts. And then we go backwards. It's liquidated.
Then they get you.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Yeah, I think it's important to have that like turn off point where you have that profit goal in mind where it's like after this number, it's I turn off the accounts, walk away. You do that vice versa, obviously, for your personal daily loss limit as well.
Yep.
When you're like, hey, listen, I see this number, I sell everything, turn off the computer, walk away.
Dude, trading is so difficult, not because of technicals, not because of, you know, people can blame market makers or whatever they want to say, but short green cover red MNQ right here. But it's hard due to the fact that you don't have a boss, right? You don't have someone telling you what to do or what is right or what's expected of us. And then so you kind of have that like free-flowing provocation of greed at every moment. You know, we all want those crazy screenshots. We all want commas. We all want payouts. That's why 95% lose.
Well, the easy thing is clicking the buttons, right? Like it's easy to put an order down. It's easy to do some technical analysis and create a thesis, but like the hardest part is knowing when to walk away versus knowing when to stay in a trade.
Oh yeah.
Again, it's easy to make money. Market, anybody can make money. Consistently and keep that money you make, you know.
Yeah, I have a buddy of mine. Transparently, he's very new to trading. He's extremely new, even investing, really. And he bought into Rocket Labs. He's up a ton of money right now, and he's like, "Dude, I'm so good at this." And I was like, "Whoa!" I was like, "Sir, wait till your fat red day hits you." Right. That beginner's luck, man.
Yeah,
It's
you
gonna
lose
tell
it.
me.
That's what I'm
You
saying.
quick. Yeah.
Dude, be a good friend. Tell him to, take most of that out and just buy Mag 7.
That's what I've been doing. Yeah, I've been like, "Hey, man, if you're up like 40%, bro, take some profits off the table." You know,
Sell
unless you're investing
40%
in
of the
this.
position,
Yeah, exactly.
And also, like, for those of you guys trading firms, the listeners, right? Like, if you're not using 30-40% of those payouts, if you're getting payouts and investing them, you're doing it wrong.
Yeah, 100%. Use the payouts to fund your long-term growth portfolio.
Yeah, I mean, I had some payouts. I was gonna get a Bronco Raptor last year, bro. It was at $69K out the door. I said, you know what? I'm gonna invest it instead. Let me check it.
Now you can buy
$69,000. It's at $152,392.
Oh,
We started that last year. 30-point
There you
gain
go.
MNQ covered half.
there you go. Come on, NQ, dude. Run green a little bit higher, please. Let me sell. Come on.
Bill breaker right here. Let's go Bill broken. 55-point gain covered a quarter.
Mr. B.
A lot of longs are getting trapped in this.
Yeah. We're heading to
There's
London
PBL.
low. Look at that.
Up 29,000, dude. Magnet. I will say as well for the listeners, shit, everybody, man. As soon as you take a loss, write down why it was a loss, where you took it, time, how you were feeling during the trade, so that when you go back and you review, all those emotions, the analysis, everything is fresh, right? Because we can kind of overglaze it and everything, and say, oh, I took the loss because of this. We need specific details. So, like for me, that last trade I took the long, really quick tag, but why did I lose it? 3-minute EMAs are bearish, CBC is bearish, right? Lower highs, lower low, pivot, market structure as well. So I deserve to take that loss. Totally fine. What happens? You short green, cover red, and they give you 100 points. I'm going to cover down to the runners here, 100-point gain.
I'd be low broken on ES.
Wow.
Should go see that 0.2 extension, which is 7407.
What are the rankings on that trading competition now? Let me see.
Fuck it. MNQ ladder short, looking for
Yeah.
20K. This is small size, though, for a ladder.
Send it low.
One hit on extension. Control says minus 0.2.
Wow, it's Saul Goodman already at 70,000 in first place.
Damn.
Wow, we're just flushing right now. Holy
Yeah, beautiful.
shit.
Beautiful.
All right, y'all. I got another stream I got to do. I will talk
No worries,
to
Zama
you
Jam. A great
guys in
morning.
a couple days.
Yo,
Yeah.
have a good day.
Bye, guys.
Bye bye. Here's 7407 ES.
Middle
29K, broken right there. 35-point gain on the ladder, covered down to runners. That's all I want from that.
Bill breaker.
Trying to long scale out there on 90s. And I got stopped.
You're getting an hourly sell signal right now on SPY.
Is this the market crash everyone was telling me about? Is this it?
I was promised a Black Monday. That's what I heard on
There's
X.
the green one.
Yeah, I was listening to some influencers on X again, and they told me that I should expect a sell off.
Fucking dumbass. That's good.
Come on, just rip up. Give me some green here, NQ. I want to sell green, cover red. Let's go.
Did you take a long?
No. I'm waiting to take a short.
Oh, okay.
And I already took profit on 2 shorts. I'm already out of 2 shorts, and I'm getting
Nice.
Yeah, I want to get back in. It's exciting. I feel like I'm at the roulette table right now.
Press those bets.
Yeah, exactly, dude. I want to see us rip up to London low and just get rejected, like slammed down, dude.
NVIDIA and AMD kind of lower low, lower highs. Those are a little bit weaker. Apple hasn't really done too much. Amazon's holding up nicely, just bounced off the 5-minute 21.
All right, we're tapping into London low here.
Meta's not doing much. Oh goodness, I need more coffee.
Same. I was wondering what was off with me today.
Oh,
Beautiful sweep right there, 29K. I think now after major pivot break, we could potentially see a 10-minute EMA pullback for your shorts. They're freshly crossed here, kind of developing.
yeah, I'm wondering if we're gonna see buyers step in right here after sweeping this low. They'll take us back up into the chop, or if we'll reject somewhere right back up here on this retest and start moving lower afterwards. Vol DQ just hit the 0 line. VIX just kind of hit a little double top area.
If this 10-minute full body wick closes in the next 45 seconds below London low, I think we might see a continuation. We're still holding below previous day low as well.
I put that ES chart up top where it's showing the edge full data, giving you that extension after breaking IB low. It's always useful if you guys use IB as a target. IB is always a great target for sure if you're in a position going into that IB open, but it's worth looking at this data to get you an extra couple points on your positions, because when the data is this high, you might as well just extend those targets past IB a little bit. Get those extra points.
Come on, run it down, baby. Run it down.
All right, having a good day. I'm gonna call it here because I keep pressing buttons. Bad things will happen.
Heard that.
You're smart, man.
I
Have a
feel
good
that,
day, bro.
dude. I feel that.
Yeah, I just called that short. I didn't shout it. I was honestly just so locked in. I couldn't even feel my face. But nothing crazy. Just clicked 2 buttons, made 2 good decisions. I entered and I pressed my stop and then I closed. All right, though, gents. I'll catch you guys later. Everybody have a great day.
Catch you later, Joe.
Yo, take it easy, bro. I hear that
Take care,
smile
man.
on your face.
Yeah, we
Enjoy
hear
it.
it.
Later, Joe. Enjoy the profits, Joe.
MNQ long, 10-minute red.
Amazon and Google trying to bounce again.
Yeah, it's probably a good call there, Maple.
I think we see 10-minute EMAs, you know, after pivot. They could smash me right here, but I'm up 25 points, so.
Yeah, this thing
I
is
think
just
we get back to the
flying,
previous
dude.
day low. Dude, the range, the volatility in this market is nuts. Took a, what did I do last night? I took like a fat L last night, dude. Just like, I didn't even realize how fast it was moving, but I opened up a short and then it was immediately down like 80 points, lost $800. I said, okay,
Okay.
it's time for me to go to bed.
It's bad time. All right. We're going for the tournament reset here, guys. Let's go.
40-point gain MNQ long, buy red, sold half.
I'm looking at short somewhere around like 160, maybe 180. That's what I'm kind of thinking. Yeah, 160, 180. Probably 180 would be better.
Look at that bounce. Nice. Look at that bounce right there. It's beautiful.
Amazon busting back up to high of day. Oh, it's a nice bounce off the 21. Google bounce off the 21.
Nope. Oh, they're not going to give me what I want to short. Oh, they're not going to give me a short. No. No.
Q's just back test and close underneath previous day low there.
Damn. Damn, son.
I closed over previous day low, but
Damn, son. Where'd you find that? that? Yeah, we did.
Not looking like took out some big targets. London low got taken on NQ. Could maybe go see Asia, but it seems more of a slowdown here.
Your semis are not having a good morning.
No.
You got AMD and NVIDIA still at lows, drilling -2%. You got MU opened up today at like 750, just broke 700. It's at 694. Taiwan Semi, opened up at previous day high, and it's just been drilling. What's SanDisk doing? Probably dumping. SanDisk is down like $130 since market opened.
Well, SanDisk.
Yeah. Someone said Nebius. Yeah, down 9%. That's wild.
Mm-hmm.
20-point MNQ covered. Nice. I'm sitting on about half the position now. Let's go.
All right, I'm flat the remainder. Just keep it a small green trade MNQ.
Send it down to the bill. Come on.
Send it down to Paradise Center.
Any flow coming in on anything decent? NBIS calls. Get ran the fuck over.
You want to see something bullish, Casey?
Yeah.
Check your DM.
You sent him the picture too. Come on, send it to the bill. Send it to the bill.
Oh, that's hot. Let's go.
Me when market's bullish.
Where was this at?
This is at Gob's wedding, bro.
Oh, yeah? Nice.
Gob just sent it to us last night because I remember there were cameras everywhere, but I forgot about all the footage and photos.
Oh. Let's go. Look, Amp can grow no hair on his head because it's all on his chest. Look at that.
What a handsome fellow, though. He's a handsome fellow.
Oh, yeah. Look at that guy.
He's a smart fella. All right. Yep. Stopped out, break even.
Dude, I look like the happiest motherfucker ever.
Right?
You are, dude.
How many drinks was that right there?
Oh, I was 6, 7 deep right there. Yeah.
Let's go.
We were in it. We were in it. That's why the shirt buttons are unbuttoned, and
That means there's a good wedding, though. As the shirt
Yeah.
gets unbuttoned throughout the night, you know,
Oh,
like
yeah.
I remember the last wedding I went to, my shirt was off. At the
Yeah,
end of it.
that's how you know it's good. Yeah, for sure.
Hell yeah.
My question is here: if we tap off of previous day low and EMA 9 right there, is this still a good short?
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't think so. I mean, we're holding those London highs really well.
I think Amazon can take us back to the promised land.
Yeah, I mean, if you look at the 10 minutes too, we're so far off from the EMAs there and VWAP. I think we send it back up.
Amazon and Google look the best. I think Amazon definitely Google's up more percentage.
Oh, we got a new ticker bar on the stream. Let's go.
Ooh.
Ooh. Shout out Polymarket. We're doing some work with Polymarket now. We got a little got some bets for you sitting on the screen.
Nice.
That's
Love to
sick.
see it.
Love to see it. That's awesome.
Love to
M&T
see
long,
it.
Billy.
Long for the boo.
Yep, same, brother, same. Let's
Coming
send it
back
up.
into the chop zone. Ooh. SPX back over 7,400. What is Adobe doing? If Adobe is still ripping, I'm gonna be so sad. Oh, it's pouring back. Fantastic.
Come on, MNQ, come on.
It needs to pull back down to like closer to 250. Who's tagging me? AVGO. Do you like AVGO for a bounce right here? AVGO look choppy as hell.
That looked choppy as hell.
Oh, no, it's already here.
Bro, there's so many like sleeper these edge
All
forward.
right, guys. I mean, I'm not seeing much right now. I'm gonna wait. I will be in chat. I have to go do some things with the baby. Other than that, please trade smart, trade appropriately. Ooh, Netflix is pumping here. And we'll see what the market gives us. I'll catch you guys in a bit. I'll be in chat.